How to redirect an Addon domain. Log into your cpanel account. You will be on this page. Go to the Domains section and click on the Addon Domains icon. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. There is the list of all the Addon domains. Locate the Addon domain you want to redirect. For instance, example4.com. Notice that it is not redirected to any other link. Click on the Manage Redirection button. Enter the link to which you want to redirect the Addon domain in the input box. Click on the Save button. Now click on the Go Back button. Scroll down to the bottom to the Addon domains. Notice that the selected Addon domain has now been redirected to the link. Thank you for watching.